Are you experiencing camera problems while using Twitter on your PC? Let's address this issue together with these troubleshooting steps. Firstly, refresh the Twitter webpage. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve minor issues with the camera function. Next, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Visit your browser's support website for detailed instructions on how to clear the cache and cookies, as this can often improve the camera performance on Twitter. If the problem persists, log out of Twitter desktop and log back in. This simple step can sometimes reset any temporary glitches affecting the camera. Consider restarting your device as well. Turn off your device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and potentially resolve camera issues. If you're still facing camera problems, try connecting to a different network or using mobile data. Sometimes network connectivity issues can impact the camera functionality on Twitter. If none of the previous steps work, don't hesitate to contact Twitter support for further assistance. They can provide specialized help to address camera-related issues effectively. Lastly, ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or intermittent connection can affect the camera performance on Twitter. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix camera problems while using Twitter on your PC. Get back to capturing and sharing moments seamlessly on the platform.